We'll guide you through how to fix pending verification in Roblox. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you can follow this whether you're on a phone or a computer. It's pretty similar. First of all, head to your settings. On a computer, click on the gear or cog icon in the top right and click on settings. On the app, click on more in the bottom right and scroll down to settings and then click on account info. Then you want to go into account info here and you'll go and see the email and pending verification. First of all, make sure you can go and access the email you've entered there. If you can't, go and click on update email and you can go and change it. I can. So then what you want to do is go and click on verify and a verification email will be sent to that email. As I said, if you can't access it, update it. Then what you need to do is open up your email inbox and find the email. You can do is go and click on verify email. I'll go and open it up. And as you can see, your email has now been verified. I can return to Roblox, I'll press back and open it again. And just like that, we've now fixed it and it's verified.